Hello, my name is Dr. Max Gray. I'm an orthopedic surgeon in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. I have treated hundreds of Canadians and Americans that have joint issues and back issues. Today, we're going to talk about meniscal injuries. What are the meniscus? Well, the meniscus go inside the knee. They're little cushions that help care for the impact when we're walking or running. So when those meniscus gets injured, you are not able to do the things you love to do. So normally, they take the impact. They look like small crescent-shaped type of structures, and they should be nice and round, like you can see here in this model. But if you have a sudden twist or a sudden impact or even a side impact, the meniscus can get trapped between the bones and it can suffer a rupture. The type of ruptures you can have are different, and the only way you can really tell is with an MRI. But also, when you have a problem, it's very painful, it's hard for you to get around, and therefore you may need an arthroscopy procedure. And that's something we can do for you here in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico.